Another weekend, another roping. Boys loaded, truck loaded. Head to Cruces. We got a World Series. Got a header. We're on our way. See you there. What are you doing, bud?
I'm shopping for horses.
Christmas gifts?
Christmas gifts. Aha. One.
All right. We got entered up in the 8, and look at this feed store. So, Daniel's doing some Christmas shopping. That's the cool thing about here in Mesquite. They have a super nice feed store slash tack store slash everything you need and could possibly think of. Yeah, that 9 is just kind of right in the middle of the roping. So he's gonna finish his gifts and go get warmed up. Entered into the next 8.
What do you think, Daniel?
Clean run about 9-11, 9-11 clean.
$400 in the hole already.
And you guys are at 46, 26. That is now
Think of it
first.
as an investment. We told him just hold our money. We'll be right back for it in a second.
You guys
they
are
didn't-
looking
they
at
didn't even charge us.
35, 31. You'll need
Time to warm up. Finally got Daniel off the ranch. And we're about to go catch 4 steers. Watch this.
What's this?
no.
As you guys saw, I missed an absolute cupcake Daniel gave me. We're not going to be negative. We're entered in this next 8, the saddle 8. We get a pick and a draw on this one. And then Zach's going to rope in the 7 after this. All of us are going to rope in the 7. Yeah, just stay tuned. That was a warm-up. That's it.
Team 7's gonna be
Me and Daniel somehow caught 2 steers clean, and we're in the short round. So we are headed back up for the short round after the second rotation, and we'll let you know how it goes.
7-5 call. Just got a catch. It's a check.
Fifth call back, Kristen and Zay. Fourth call back, Jorge and Peter, be ready. Queen in the field, 5 line, you're 4.
Check. We just cashed our first ever check together. Right before we leave for Arizona.
The curse is broken. Wow.
Cash the check. I cannot
Alright, we're
believe
gonna burn
Hey.
one of these over team number 1, Jose and Tack.
it. Fuck yeah.
Field, 5 line, you guys are 23-30. Team number 39, Stephen Knox, Tim and Kyle for the old way.
Daniel.
Booker's lost his mind. He has 3 callbacks in the short go out of 4 or 6 partners. And it's like, God, he's got 4 callbacks. He's lost his mind.
We have Buckles for first,
Scared me.
first for second, and third.
He couldn't get there.
Yeah, he couldn't get not on that one because I didn't catch it. That one before he almost fell. I had to throw anyway. Literally almost like.
Daniel, here goes the 10th high callback.
Tell him to switch horses. Yeah. He's roping. We don't drag the arena for the 7 ropers. We just get after him. High call. I think he's got 3 more after this.
He's got a chance to do something
He's got
serious
a chance
today.
to pull through, get his number back.
22-03, and you are second back right now. Sending the rope.
The next one.
He's got second.
Holy,
Second callback, Martin and Dick.
it's about to get tight here.
845 Queen, 845 Queen. You should
He's got to be losing his mind right now.
first place.
Tell him, let him know what's going on, Daniel.
Buzz is sitting in first, and he's still got his second high call to run right now, and he's guaranteed money at this point. We're guaranteed all kinds of money.
Right now, the third
Buzz
away,
buying
and
me
then
all
around
kinds of shit.
are people that are hitting average. There's only 2 holes in broken. So there will be more than 2 more than correct. Next is the callback, Martin and Dick. You ready? Edgar and Tyler ready, and you guys are going to be up next. Clean run of a 1308, 1308. That moves you guys to the lead for $1,730 and buckles at this point. You guys are at 38.66. We have 2 holes.
There goes that last run. He missed it. One, two, baby, what do you say? 1, 2, baby, what do you say?
Go get your check, mijo, cabrón.
Compa.
On the horses started it all.
He's probably worn out a little bit. Good work, guys. Good work.
How you feeling, bub? 1 and 2.
Now he's got 2 Vegas ropes. One, he won on his rope. He can never use it again. It has to go in the glass frame.
Couldn't have been a better 8 and 7. Me and my partner got a chick. I was clean on 3 with him. And then I just roped good in the 7. Just flat out. Started seeing it, started catching it.
And
listen.
he's got a fat check, and I swear to God, if this motherfucker fucks up on the Vegas round.
Welcome to the number.
Yeah, let's pull.
I want to go to the 9.
You don't have to bump with, I'd bump with Colin. I told Hoser, I said, oh, you better not be taking my partner.
Good job, brother. Good job. You too, man. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you.
Address because we forgot to bring them. They'll go out tomorrow. Okay?
And he got spurs. Ooh, he's...
Pine. Okay? Street.
How'd you do, Z-Ray?
Andres. Oh, I did terrible. Don't worry about me. They're too terrible, Luke. I did take down a pretty good waffle cone.
Ooh. Then got you some ice cream?
Yeah, you win some, you lose some.
I never got any ice cream today. It's kind of sad.
Second place was 650.
Oh, look, he just catches more. He just catches more.
I don't know where you are.
Where your partner went? I think I'll take your picture.
That's it for the mantle. For the mantle.
Yeah.
Oh, we could take a picture. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, he got a fast time. God, they just won't leave you alone over there.
Yeah.
Gee, God.
Tens of thousands of dollars back into this. Okay. Yeah, heck yeah.
Just get you a video picture, huh? Boop, boop. Spread them, boys. Oh, yeah.
Right on, brother. You got it, man. Yeah, we are. We're waiting for the big one up there. Dude, they have all the signs and stuff.
He's all grown up now. He's a big winner.
Mark was hitting, right? So switch. Ready? 1, 2. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
You're good.
Alright, thanks a lot. Thanks again, man. Thank you.
Goodness gracious.
What a guy.
That's so sick. I'm talking about we've been working hard for this damn thing. All day I was telling Daniel, 2 a days. I did 2 a days all week this week. Poor Arky's like, his legs are hurting him.
Beat up.
He's hurt. Like I've been hammering him. But paid off.
Let's go this way. Oh, you need your money.
I can strive. Bingo.